Let me ask you something. What if right now, while you're watching this video, someone else your age is making money online, without a job, without a degree, and without any special skills? Sounds crazy, right? But here's the truth. In 2026, making money online is no longer about talent. It's about knowing the right methods. And in this video, I'm going to show you 5 side hustles that anyone can start today. No skills, no investment. Just a phone and internet. Most people stay broke not because they're lazy, but because they don't know where to start. They keep scrolling, watching others succeed, but never take action. And that's exactly why today's video can change everything for you. So don't skip because one of these ideas could be your first step toward earning online. Well, let's start with side hustle number 1. AI content writing. Businesses all over the world need content like blogs, scripts, and captions, but they don't want to spend hours writing it. So what do? They pay someone else to do it, and that someone can be you. Here's the twist. You don't even need to write anything yourself. You can use AI tools like ChatGPT. Just type a simple prompt, and in seconds your work is done. People are charging $10, $20, even $50 for something that takes less than 5 minutes. Think about that. Now let's move to side hustle number 2. YouTube automation. And this one can literally change your life. You don't need to show your face. You don't need a camera. All you need is a script, a voiceover, and some visuals. You can use AI voice, stock videos, and create videos just like this one. Channels are making thousands of dollars just by uploading consistently. And the best part, once your video is uploaded, it keeps making money for you again and again. That's real passive income. Side hustle number 3 is affiliate marketing. This is one of the easiest ways to start earning online. Here's how it works. You promote someone else's product, and when someone buys through your link, you get a commission. Simple. You don't need to create anything, and you don't need to invest money. Just recommend useful products. People are doing this through YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. And earning daily. Number 4 is freelancing. Now you might be thinking, I don't have any skills. But here's the truth. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to offer simple services like writing, data entry, or basic editing. And again, you can use AI to help you. Platforms like Fiverr are full of opportunities. People are making money every single day just by completing small tasks. And finally, side hustle number 5, print on demand. This is where you sell products like t-shirts, hoodies, or mugs. But here's the catch. You don't print anything and you don't ship anything. A company does everything for you. You just create simple designs, upload them, and earn profit on every sale. Even beginners are making money with this method. Now listen carefully. All these methods work, but only for one type of person. The one who actually takes action. Not tomorrow, not next week, but today. So here's your mission. Pick one side hustle from this video and start today. Because the longer you wait, the more opportunities you lose. If you want more videos like this, make sure to subscribe. Because this channel is your shortcut to making money online.